Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, residents in Orange District St. James are refuting claims that 3 men killed by the police were shot in a confrontation.
The incident happened on Tuesday.
The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is also probing the circumstances which led to their demise.
Kimberly Petty has the latest.
For years to come, it will be a Christmas Eve to remember for Nicole Bingham, but not in a happy way. Her boyfriend was one of 3 men fatally shot by police early Tuesday morning. He is 30-year-old farmer Alex Medley. According to police reports, the Area 1 fugitive apprehension team went in search of Medley. It's however alleged that they were fired at by 3 men and a shootout ensued. The 3 men died during the encounter. 3 firearms were reportedly seized from the scene. Ms. Bingham says she's at a loss as to why her partner was a target of the early morning police operation, as according to her, he is innocent.
We just hear the gunshot, them and me run out of the house and they run in there and the police pull the gun and send me to go back and do it. They're innocent if they were wrong do every time the police come and pick them up. They don't let them go. Police always come and pick them up and let them go back. So if they want to do something wrong, then they lock up. That's why police running up and pick them up.
The police gave the identity of one of the deceased men as Reggae. The other remains unidentified.
When me come down like fuck, I see the police now. And then me hear boom, boom, boom. We said, Jesus Christ, is somebody there. We hear bawling. You understand? We hear boom, boom. And we need to say 3 person, you know. And when they light out, I will look at 3 body, innocent body then carried out.
Although the police operation was conducted in Orange District, Assistant Commissioner of Police for the Area 1 Division, Glenford Miller, explained the neighboring community of Rose Heights has seen an increase in violence recently. He pointed to the murder of popular TikTok content creator Marlon Samuels, popularly known as 41 Bussed.
From all indication, one of the men being identified. He's actually from the Rose Heights area. He would have actually been from all the information and intelligence that we'd have actually gathered. He's one of the key players in the Rose Heights area, actually in this flare-up of violence within the space there.
ACP Miller further gave details on the reasons behind some of the killings in the parish.
Sometimes these incidents of crime, we consider them to be so senseless because these are persons, by virtue of what we are gathering, these are persons who have actually known each other. But because of persons vying for danship, everyone wants to be a Dan. So as a result of that, friends killing friends. And these are things that this must stop. We cannot continue as a nation like this.
In the meantime, INDICOM says body-worn cameras were not used during Tuesday's planned operation. It notes that year to date, 183 persons have been shot and killed by the security forces, 15 of who were fatally shot this month. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.
Many Jamaican